start by removing the side panel. Remove this bolt. Remove these two bolts. Use your hands to remove this panel. Pull on the fuse box to remove it. Here on the left side we have the BCM, which the T-harness will connect to. Remove the 3 bottom connectors from the BCM. Push the connectors tab to disconnect. Connect the 3 connectors from the T-harness to the BCM. Make sure you hear that click. Connect the vehicle's connectors to the T-harness. Make sure again you hear that click.